Be innovative. Keep constant. Shenzhen Towell Model Technologies Company Limited. Against the wind and waves, Towell prototype was born under great timing. The society market competition getting fierce increasingly. The development of industrial design industry keep growing up. Enterprises not only begins to look into the importance of industrial design, but also pay attention to the product prototype making. The quality of product development and the final effect need to be tested by prototyping. Towell Model Technologies Company Limited was established in 2002, located at Fuyong, Shenzhen. Located by the airport, the traffic is convenient. It covers an area of 6,000 square meters. Its mission is to make prototypes of high quality by innovative technology. Towell Model Technologies Company Limited is an expert of prototyping making certified by ISO 9001 and Bureau Veritas. Advanced equipment, strong foundation is our best guarantee. The company has large precision CNC machining centers, including 5-axis machines, 4-axis machines, 3-axis machine, 3D printer imported from Israel, RTV vacuum casting machines, RIM machines, CNC milling machines, SMF CNC punching machines, sandblasting machine, various important sophisticated detection equipment. Accuracy and precision is our guarantee of quality. We have 2D and 3D image measuring instruments, so that we could measure every detail of the prototype. To guarantee the quality, we have a rigorous testing in each process of the project. Using RIM raw material, we could carry out accurate RIM process, be able to produce small quantity of customized car parts model. Experienced technical team is our strong support. Our production team consists of almost 80 experienced expertise prototypers, technicians, quality engineers who own more than 10 years of experience in prototyping. The quality of prototypes could be well guaranteed. Excellent Chinese innovation team create innovative designs. Towell Model Technologies is relying on high-tech, specializing in prototype making for all kinds of automotive parts, medical equipment and devices, digital consumer electronics, and other related products. Quality products is our best persuasive. Plastic prototype, hardware prototype, silicon prototype, ABS PMMA prototype. Great advantages is the strong competitiveness of Towell Model Technologies Company Limited. Top 5 advantage of Towell Model. 1. Imported measuring tools, strict control, high accuracy. All the project must be checked and tightly controlled the tolerance to 0.02 to 0.1 millimeters. 2. The prototyping master built up a great product finishing effect by his 10 years working experience in Towell. 3. The maximum CNC stroke machine can reach 1.8 meter to fulfill the special process of big-size project. 4. CTO from USA joined the prototyping process to make a perfect prototype. 5. 42 advanced CNC machines help to make the rapid prototype within only 3 to 7 days. The satisfaction of client is always our highest target. Towell provide positive service concept of honest to earn trust, serve by heart to build up constant customer satisfaction by hard work and wisdom from start to the end. Towell keep running by the positive business concept. Innovation, standardize, dedication, honesty, harmony as business ideas. Owning an excellent senior management team to train a group of high-quality professional sales team as well as a production team. Honesty is the continuous concept of Towell Group. High quality, high service, is a faith insisted by Towell Model technologies. Towell has 15 years of prototyping, including 9 years of experience dealing with overseas markets. 15 years into the market, Towell has extended business in many areas of the world, such as Middle East, Europe, North and South America, Southeast Asia, etc. Each compliment is the most beautiful encouragement to Towell. Each honor is the best approval to Towell Group. Each project is the best trust to Towell Group.
1998年大学毕业之后，我加入了富士康集团，主要从事模具设计与制造。在那里工作了4年之后，自己创办了拓维模型技术有限公司。我们的公司也主要是从事设计手绑模型的制作。现在目前我们企业有3家公司，一个是拓维设计，另外一个是拓维模型，第3家公司是拓维模具注册有限公司。现在我们从产业链上面解决了客人的基本需求。这15年来，我们得到很多客户的一致认可。我们的客户类型主要有3种，第一种是汽车类型的客户，第二种是医疗类型的客户，第3种是小家电类客户。他们这些客户在我们的技术和服务方面都得到他们的一致的认同，所以我们现在市场是一片光明。现在我们在产业链上面也是整合非常齐全，各种制作工艺我们都应有尽有，检测设备、精密的一些制造设备等等，我们都非常齐全。经过15年的累积，我们不管是资金的实力还是技术人才的储备方面，我们在这个行业都是遥遥领先。我想借助这个优势，把我们的企业推向更高的境界，成为走出国门的中国企业的领头羊。其次，我们可以借助资本的力量，成为我们行业少数可以上市的企业。
The higher quality, better service is our great ambition. In the coming future, we will keep a lofty stance to gain compliments from the world, to make prototypes of high quality for more and more clients around the world. Shenzhen Towell Model Technologies Company Limited.